Polygon Matic continues to hold above a daily key area of support between the 0.02, the 0.21457 and the 0.17889. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential reversal scenario to the upper side here on the daily chart. And above all, take a look at the 4-hour chart, giving you my short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the 0.27674. And having completed that 5-wave structure to the upside, we therefore completed the formation of a larger edge wave count 1. And having seen the formation of that first wave, whatever we should expect next is a retracement in the formation of a second wave. And once we have a low in place in the formation of that wave 2, we should expect the next leg to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that impulsive edge wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 2 over here were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.21456 and the 0.1786, which is the yellow target area over here, an area that we have not fully maximized. And at some point after overshooting the fib level 0.78, you can see that we continued to hold above the fib level 0.88 that lies above the 0.1678. And we are now seeing a bit of a reaction to the upper side over here in what could be the start of another impulse in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that we need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.36511 as our next target area. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher. And for that movement to also play out, we need to see a sustained break above significant highs like the high we made above the 0.23987, the 0.25759, and also the high we made in the formation of these wave 1 above the 0.27674 in the next coming days. The moment we manage to break above those significant highs with volume and also with some momentum, then that will be enough confirmation that we are getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. But if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness in the market, then it is most likely that we are going to first get a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June, and then continue pushing lower to get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days. And that is the worst case scenario. So that is all that I'm expecting on the daily chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.27, where we have now completed that 5-wave structure to the downside. And having seen that 5-wave structure to the lower side, I am now expecting to see an ABC corrective structure playing out to the upper side, where we can term these bounds as the formation of that wave A, a pullback in the formation of that wave B. And if by any chance we continue pushing higher, break above resistance above the 0.1934, then we can easily see one more new high in the formation of that wave C. And the area that we need to pay attention to as the minimum target area for the wave C can be given by connecting the fib extensions, that is the Fibonacci's, from the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1 to the low of that wave 5. And on so doing, the area that we need to pay attention to lies between the fib level 0.382 and a maximum of the 7.8, and that is between the 0.2518 and the 0.2652. which is the yellow target area here on the chart. That yellow target area should act as resistance, and if by any chance we get rejected within this area over here, then that will be a clear indication that we can easily get one more new low and also get a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June and also the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming days. But if by any chance we break this key area of resistance with momentum, then it is most likely that we are going to continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 3 that I just explained here on the daily chart. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the POL chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.